Today, I'm going to show you how to reset Audacity settings the easy way, and I'll also show you how to reset just the toolbars if you only want to fix the layout without changing everything. This is a super useful fix if Audacity is acting weird, your preferences got messed up, your interface looks broken, or you just want to start fresh. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, close Audacity completely. This part is important because you don't want the program running while you delete its settings files. If Audacity is open, go ahead and exit it fully before doing anything else. Now on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time. This opens the Run box, which is a fast way to jump straight into a folder on your computer. In the Run box, type %appdata%, then a backslash, then Audacity. So you're opening the Audacity settings folder inside your AppData directory. After typing that in, press Enter. A folder will open, and inside that folder, you need to find the file named audacity.cfg. This file stores your Audacity preferences and settings. Right-click that file and select Delete. Next, look for the folder named Plugin Settings. This folder contains plugin-related configuration data. Right-click the Plugin Settings folder and select Delete as well. Once both of those are deleted, restart Audacity. When it opens again, it should recreate fresh settings files automatically. In most cases, this will reset Audacity back to its default state and fix problems caused by corrupted settings or custom changes you no longer want. Now, if you don't want to reset everything and you only want to fix the interface, there's another option called Reset Toolbars only. This is helpful if your toolbar layout is missing buttons, looks cluttered, or has been moved around. To do that, open Audacity again if it isn't already open. Then click the View menu at the top of the screen. From there, click Toolbars, and then select Reset Toolbars. That will restore the toolbars to their default layout without wiping out all of your other settings. So if you were only trying to fix the appearance of Audacity, this is the safer option. So to recap, if you want a full reset, close Audacity, open the AppData Audacity folder, delete audacity.cfg and the Plugin Settings folder, and then restart the app. If you only want to reset the layout, use View, Toolbars, and Reset Toolbars. I hope this video helped you reset Audacity settings quickly and safely. If it did, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next guide on the screen for more helpful software fixes.